In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get free Amazon Prime. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need, and I'll share a few practical tips so you know what to expect. Start by heading to Amazon.com and signing in to your existing account. If you don't have one yet, create a new Amazon account. It only takes a minute and you'll need it to start the trial. Once you're signed in, move your cursor to the upper right corner of the page. Hover over the Account and Lists area, the one that greets you, and click on your account. This takes you into your main account dashboard. Inside your account, look for the section labeled Memberships or Subscriptions. The wording can vary slightly, but you're looking for the place where Amazon manages your paid plans. Open that section, then find Amazon Prime and select Sign Up. This will open a new page or sometimes a new tab with the Prime sign-up flow. On the next screen, you'll see two choices, Prime Video or Continue with Amazon.com. Because we're setting up the full Prime membership tied to your Amazon shopping account, choose Continue with Amazon.com if you already have an Amazon account. That ensures you get all the benefits, not just video streaming. At the top of the page, look for the message that says you're eligible for a 30-day Prime free trial, along with the note that you can cancel anytime. If you see that eligibility message, you're good to proceed. If you don't, it usually means a free trial was used on your account before or the offer isn't available in your region right now. Next, enter your payment details to activate the trial. Amazon asks for a valid credit card to start the free period, but you won't be charged as long as you cancel before the 30 days are up. This also sets your renewal date, so consider adding a reminder on your calendar a day or two beforehand. You can always check your renewal date and manage your membership from the same memberships or subscriptions area. Once you confirm, your Prime trial starts immediately. You can enjoy fast shipping on eligible items, access Prime Video, and explore other benefits like exclusive deals for the next 30 days at no cost. If you decide Prime isn't for you, cancel anytime before the trial ends to avoid being charged. If you found this tutorial helpful, remember to like the video and subscribe for more Amazon tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and enjoy your Prime trial.